In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invite on Google Docs to collaborate with others. If you are working on a document with teammates, classmates, or anyone else, sharing it the right way makes collaboration much easier. Google Docs lets you invite specific people by email and control exactly what they're allowed to do inside the document. That means you can let someone simply read it, leave feedback, or fully help edit it. To get started, open the Google Docs document you want to share. Make sure you are in the correct file before sending the invitation, especially if you have several similar documents open. Once the document is on screen, look to the top right corner and click the blue Share button. This opens the sharing window, which is where you'll manage access for other people. In the field labeled Add People and Groups, type the email address of the person you want to invite. Double-check the address before moving on so the invitation goes to the right person. As you enter the email, Google Docs may recognize the contact and display it for you to select. Next, look to the right of that person's name and click the drop-down menu to choose their access level. This part is important because it controls what they can do once they open the document. If you choose Viewer, they'll only be able to read the document. This is useful when you want to share information without letting anyone make changes. If you choose Commenter, they'll be able to view the document and leave comments or suggestions, which is helpful when you want feedback but still want to stay in control of the content. If you choose Editor, they'll be able to fully edit the document, add content, and even share the file with others. So only use that option when you are comfortable giving someone full collaboration access. If you want, you can also add a personal message to the notification email. This is optional, but it can be helpful if you want to explain why you are sharing the document or give the person quick context before they open it. Before sending the invite, make sure the Notify People box is checked. This ensures the person receives an email letting them know the document has been shared with them. Once everything looks correct, click Send. That's it. Your invite will be sent and the other person will be able to access the Google Doc based on the permission level you selected.